Amidst the skyrocketing price of essential commodities, including food and vegetables, the state government has directed all the deputy commissioners to reactivate the district monitoring committees to monitor the price rise on a regular basis. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tynsong said the state government has suggested that the district monitoring committee should be reactivated not only in the district but even at the state level.
District, monitoring committee should be again reactivated. Not only the district, even the state level monitoring price committee should also be reactivated. So this is what they suggested, and we have accordingly directed all the deputy commissioners to reactivate these committees and monitor these issues on a regular basis and solve the problem in the district level.